Based on the concepts that we have learned so far, we are going to apply them and solve our questions. So are you all ready, children? So here is your first question. Okay. Up is to down, whereas factor is to dash. Okay. Your options are multiple, option B prime, option C composite, and option D divide. Okay. So now up is to down. So it is just the opposite, right? So when up is compared with down, so what will you compare factor with? Very good. It should be multiple. So when I am doing a factor, when I try to multiply, I get the answer as multiple. Clear? Shall we move to the next one? Okay. So the next question is 7 is to 14 as to 5 is to dash. Your options are 21, option B 15, option C 28, and option D 14. Okay. So here 7 is to 14, which means the factor is 7 and multiple is 14. Now when 5 is the factor, what will be the multiple? So from the given lot, which do you think is a multiple of 5? Is it 21, 15, 28 or 14? Good. It is 15 because the numbers which are divisible by 5, either it will end with 5 or with a 0, right? So here my answer will be 15. Clear? Shall we move to the next one? Okay. The next question for you is dash is to 9 as 4 is to 24. The option given are 3, option B 2, option C 5, and option D 7. Okay. So here the first blank is the factor and the second one is the multiple. So what do you think, which of these will be the multiple, will be the factor value of 9? Is it 3, 2, 5 or 7? Is it possible to divide exactly 9 by 2? No. Is it possible to divide exactly 9 by 5? No. Is it possible to divide 9 by 7? No. Is it possible to divide 9 exactly by 3? Yes, it is possible, right? So my answer is 3. So whenever a value is exactly divisible by the given slot of numbers, then it is a factor value. We learned in the properties, right? So 3 is the number which is exactly divisible by 9. Okay? Shall we move to the next one? Okay. So here is your next question. The question says, which one of the following is a factor of 45 but not a multiple of 3? Your options are 5, option B 9, option C 15, and option D 7. Okay. Now the question is asking, which of the following is a factor of 45 but is not a multiple of 3? Okay. So 45, what are the possible factors which we have, children? 1 into 45. Is it possible to divide 45 exactly with 2? No, right? Then again you can have 45. If you divide 45 by 3, you will be getting 3 into 15 as 45. Okay. Then what else you can have? You can have 5 into 9 as 45. So how many factors are there, children? 5, 9, 3, 15, 1 and 45. Right. So of these numbers, is 7 possible? No. Is 15 possible? Yes. But 15 is a multiple of 3 also. The question is asking that which of them is a factor but not a multiple of 3. So which is the right option here? Yes. The option is A5. Clear? Shall we move to the next one? Okay. The next question for you is, which of the following is a multiple of 2 but not a factor of 8? The options given are 2, option B 8, option C 4 and option D 6. Okay. So here they are trying to ask which of the following is a multiple of 2 but not a factor of 8. Okay. So if you calculate the value of 8, how can we find 1 into 8? Then we can have 2 into 4 is equals to 8. Then we can have it as 4 into 2 equals to 8 and 8 into 1 equals to 8. So what are my common factors here? 1, 2, 4 and 8. So which of these numbers is not matching? Yes, it is option D 6. Okay. 6 is a factor of 2 but then it is not a factor of